Your engine is dying right now, and you have no idea. The American Automobile Association tested fuel from 15 major stations across 38 states, and what they found is genuinely terrifying. Some brands you're using every week barely meet legal minimums. While you save a few bucks, carbon is choking your fuel injectors, cementing your valves, destroying combustion quality. This isn't about saving money. This is whether your engine survives 150,000 miles or dies with a repair bill in the thousands. I'm exposing 9 brands killing your engine and 4 that actually protect it. Let's go. Number 1, Safeway gasoline. Let's start with Safeway. You see them in every suburban parking lot. Competitive prices, loyalty points, grab your groceries and fuel up. Feels convenient, right? But here's what they don't advertise. Safeway isn't part of the top-tier detergent gasoline program. That's the gold standard. Honda, Toyota, and GM say your fuel must have for long-term health. Without those polyethylamine detergents doing the cleaning, carbon starts choking your direct injection nozzles in just 5,000 miles. Your engine runs rich. Oxygen sensors start screaming error codes. Fuel trim goes completely haywire. Get this, independent labs found Safeway fuel has 40% fewer cleaning agents than Shell or Chevron. 40%. That's not a small gap. That's brown crusty deposits suffocating your combustion chamber, killing power and efficiency every mile you drive. Number 2, ARCO. ARCO built their empire on one promise: dirt cheap gas. California drivers know them everywhere. But here's the brutal reality of fuel. Cheap price almost always equals cheap quality. ARCO fails top-tier certification every time. Their detergent levels barely hovering above EPA minimums from 1995. Let that sink in. Your modern turbocharged engine needs 5 times the protection engines needed 30 years ago. There's a 2022 Society of Automotive Engineers study that'll shock you. Non-top-tier fuels caused 83% more intake valve deposits over 20,000 miles. Not a typo. 83% more gunk. That buildup creates misfires. Rough idle. That awful metallic pinging, like marbles bouncing inside your cylinder head. You've heard that sound? That's your engine crying for help. Number 3, Murphy USA. Murphy USA. You know them. Parked outside Walmart, always undercutting everyone on price. Their strategy is simple: be the cheapest option available. Here's the problem with that strategy. Murphy locations don't meet top-tier standards. Detergent packages swing wildly depending on regional supply contracts. Some Murphy stations get decent fuel from reputable suppliers. Others, it's closer to paint thinner than gasoline. Drivers report the same pattern. Fuel economy drops, acceleration hesitates, spark plugs covered in black tar after 15,000 miles. And here's what scares me. Many Murphy stations run on razor-thin margins. That means delaying tank maintenance. In high humidity climates, you're looking at water contamination and sediment buildup from overnight condensation. Not worth the savings. Number 4, Costco gasoline. Now this one's gonna make people mad because Costco sells top-tier certified fuel. Their Kirkland signature gasoline matches Chevron or Shell chemically in every lab test. The additive package is legit. Octane ratings check out. So why am I calling out Costco? Because the problem isn't the fuel, it's the chaos at the pump. Costco stations handle more traffic in one afternoon than most stations see all week. When those underground tanks get refilled, sediment stirs up like shaking a snow globe. If you're filling up during a tanker delivery, you're pulling contaminated fuel straight into your tank. Consumer Reports documented clogged fuel filters, rough idling, check engine lights within hours of Costco fill-ups. Great fuel, terrible timing. That's the gamble. Number 5, RaceTrac. RaceTrac runs hard across the Southeast with aggressive pricing and high volume sales. Their marketing screams value, but the fuel quality? That's where things get sketchy. RaceTrac doesn't touch top-tier programs. They're missing the detergent concentration modern engines desperately need. Florida and Georgia mechanics all say the same thing. Unusually high intake valve, coking in vehicles running RaceTrac exclusively. Those deposits crush compression ratios. You get sluggish acceleration, fuel consumption spikes. Give it enough time, deposits harden into ceramic-like crud that needs chemical treatment or manual scraping to remove. Technicians notice stuttering during highway merges, increased engine noise from carbon rattling inside the combustion chamber. That's not normal wear. That's fuel failure. Number 6, 7-Eleven gas. 7-Eleven operates worldwide, but their North American gas game, completely fragmented and inconsistent. Most locations are franchised, relying on regional contracts that flip every year. One 7-Eleven pumps excellent top-tier fuel from quality refineries. Drive 2 miles down the road, next station sources from bargain distributors, adding bare minimum detergent just to dodge EPA fines. That inconsistency turns every fill-up into a lottery. Drivers report increased engine knock, spark plugs caked in dirt, check engine lights popping up randomly. No corporate-wide quality standards means you're gambling every single time. Use 7-Eleven in emergencies only. Never make it your regular stop. Number 7, QuikTrip. QuikTrip has cult-like followings in certain regions. People rave about their coffee, their bathrooms, their fuel quality. Let me hit you with reality. Some QuikTrip locations use top-tier fuel. Others don't. The company doesn't mandate it system-wide. That creates massive confusion and potential engine damage for anyone needing consistent detergent levels. Carbon deposits form fastest in high-efficiency engines with tight piston to cylinder tolerances. Automotive forums light up with complaints about fuel injector fouling and carbon coking at non-certified locations. Unless you verify certification through online databases first, you're flying blind. That uncertainty alone should make you rethink using QuikTrip as your primary source. Number 8, Sam's Club gasoline. Sam's Club copied Costco's playbook, membership model, discounted gas, looks smart on paper for budget shoppers. In practice, it's wildly inconsistent across locations. Not every Sam's Club offers top-tier fuel. Sourcing swings dramatically by region. Some partner with premium suppliers and refineries. Others go with whoever bids lowest for bulk contracts. That inconsistency, combined with crazy traffic and spotty pump maintenance, lets contaminants slip into your fuel system. Users report engine hesitation, tanking fuel economy, noticeable power loss after months of exclusive use. Newer turbocharged or hybrid models, you're risking long-term efficiency and component durability every fill-up. Number 9, Kroger gasoline. Kroger runs hundreds of fuel centers tied to grocery loyalty programs. Fuel points sound like genius economics. Save money while shopping, save at the pump. But gasoline quality doesn't justify the savings. Most Kroger locations skip top-tier programs entirely, lacking sufficient polyisobutylene detergents that prevent deposit buildup. Mechanics see the pattern constantly. Excessive intake valve deposits, dirty fuel injectors in vehicles running Kroger fuel heavily over time. Regional sourcing means refinery quality swings from acceptable to substandard. The money you save with fuel points gets swallowed by engine component cleaning or replacement down the road. Classic penny-wise, pound-foolish mistake that costs more long-term. The winners: 4 brands protecting your engine. Number 1, Shell. Shell doesn't just lead fuel quality rankings, they dominate them. V-Power Nitro Plus is engineered like pharmaceutical-grade engine medicine. Developed alongside Ferrari and Porsche, V-Power packs nitrogen-enriched detergents exceeding EPA standards by 500%. These additives don't just prevent deposits. They dissolve existing carbon on injectors, valves, chambers. Bosch testing proved engines running Shell for 12,000 miles showed 47% cleaner intake valves versus non-top-tier competitors. Formula includes friction modifiers slashing wear inside fuel pumps and injectors. This isn't just gas. This is engine insurance. Number 2, Chevron. Chevron built their reputation on Techron, that cleaning additive you can buy separately at auto parts stores. Every Chevron gallon contains Techron at concentrations that attack carbon on a molecular level. Polyethylamine demolishes deposits on injectors, valves, piston crowns without touching seals or surfaces. Society of Automotive Engineers studies confirm Techron boosts combustion efficiency up to 12% while slashing emissions. For direct injection engines where deposits form lightning fast, Chevron is game-changing. Consistent use delivers smoother acceleration, stable idle, longer maintenance intervals. This fuel doesn't just power your car, it protects it from the inside out. Number 3, ExxonMobil. Exxon and Mobil stations run Synergy gasoline, a formula packing 7 key additives working in harmony. We're talking detergents, corrosion inhibitors, friction modifiers, combustion enhancers protecting engines from every angle. Synergy fuels carry top-tier certification, optimized for performance and longevity. Society of Automotive Engineers testing showed ExxonMobil fuels cleaned intake valves 50% better than non-top-tier competition. Better atomization means finer fuel mist before ignition. That's complete combustion, maximum power, minimum waste. For turbocharged engines where clean burn equals long life, ExxonMobil delivers. Number 4, BP. BP markets fuel under Invigorate branding, and there's real chemistry backing it up. The Invigorate system blends corrosion inhibitors and detergents that clean fuel components while blocking carbon deposit formation. BP gasoline meets top-tier certification, engineered to reduce engine knock plaguing high-compression engines. Widely used across Europe, where emission standards crush U.S. regulations. Formula contains stabilizers preventing fuel degradation over time, critical for infrequent drivers or seasonal storage. BP doesn't just keep engines running, it keeps them running like new, year after year. There's your roadmap. 9 brands potentially costing you thousands in repairs. 4 brands earning every extra cent through verified chemistry that actually works. Smash that like button so this reaches more drivers who need to see this truth. Drop a comment with your car's make and model. I'll personally give you fuel recommendations tailored to your ride. That's car science, straight up. See you next time.